Imagine hiring the smartest employee in the world. They can reason, they can write code, they can solve problems. But there is one problem: they cannot access your files, they cannot query your database, they can't use your company tools, they can't even check your calendar. It's like hiring a genius and locking them in an empty room. For years, every AI application had to build custom integration for every tool until a new standard arrived. A standard that many people are calling the USB-C of AI. It's called MCP. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why it could become one of the most important technologies in the AI ecosystem. Let's say you are building an AI assistant. You want to read GitHub issues, check Slack messages, access documents, query databases, create a Jira tickets. Sounds simple? But traditionally, every AI application needed a custom code for every integration. If you wanted 10 tools, you build 10 integrations. If another AI application wanted those same tools, they build those integrations again and again and again. This created a huge mess. Every AI provider, every tool provider, every application, everyone was reinventing the wheel. The AI industry needed a common language, a standard way for AI systems and tools to communicate. That's where MCP comes in. What is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal adapter for AI. Instead of creating a custom integration for every tool, tools exposes themselves through MCP. And AI applications seamlessly connect through MCP. Just like USB-C allows different devices to communicate using the same standard, MCP allows AI models to communicate with the different tools using the same protocol. One standard, many tools, many AI applications, no custom integration. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Let's understand the architecture behind it. There are three major pieces. The first, MCP Host. This is the AI application. Example, your AI assistant, IDEs, AI agent platforms. The host where user interacts with. MCP client. The client acts like a translator. It understands MCP messages. It sends a request. It receives the response, and think of it like a messenger. MCP server. This is where the magic happens. An MCP server exposes tools, resources. For example, a GitHub MCP server might provide read repository, create issue, review pull request. A database MCP server might provide execute query, read schema, fetch records. The AI doesn't need to know how these systems work internally. They have their own mechanism. It only needs to understand MCP. That's the beauty of the protocol. Seamless integration. Let's dig into the real example. Imagine you ask, check our production database and create a Jira ticket for all critical errors. What happens? The AI understands the request. It discovers what are the available MCP tools who can process this. It calls the database MCP server. Server returns all critical error data. The AI analyzes the results and calls the Jira MCP server so that tickets can be created automatically. Notice something important? The AI never needed custom database code. It never needed custom Jira code. Everything happened through MCP. One protocol, multiple tools, seamless communication. Why MCP matters? Before MCP, every AI application built integrations separately. After MCP, things have changed. Build once, use everywhere. Tool providers can expose capabilities through MCP today. All AI applications can immediately use them. In turn, developers save time, companies save money. AI agents become dramatically more useful and fun to use. And perhaps most importantly, we are moving toward a future where AI systems can interact with the software in a standard way, just like web browsers standardize access to websites through HTTP. MCP could standardize access to tools for AI. Let's now understand what could be the future of the MCP protocol. Today we are still in the early days, but adoption is growing rapidly. More companies are creating MCP servers, more AI platforms are adding support, and more developers are realizing the standards matter the most. The winners in the technology are often not the most powerful systems, they are the systems that connect everyone together. That's exactly what MCP is trying to become, the universal connection layer for AI. So, here is the simplest way to remember MCP. Think like a person. AI models are the brain, tools are ants, MCP is the nervous system connecting them all, taking critical decisions. Without it, AI is isolated. With it, AI can interact with the real world. If you found this useful, subscribe the Curious Architect channel for more deep dives into AI architecture, agents, RAG, embedding, vector data pages. Every week, video will be posted in this channel.